All right, so as it turns out, there definitely is a wrong way to rebuild these reheat valves. I had a coworker who actually broke the pin on one of these in half. I'll show you what he did wrong. So you have this cap on the bottom. You absolutely have to get this loose first and take it off. What my coworker did wrong is he tried to loosen the top here with the stepper motor on this nut instead of taking this nut off first and then undoing the hex nut here. So that's what caused this pin in the center to snap in half. Then once you have it all the way out, there's actually a hex nut right here that holds in kind of the bottom half of the internals of the valve. Loosen it and take it off. And it's going to look something like this. And you should be ready to unscrew the stepper motor from the top. Pull it out and it'll look like this. Don't lose the O-ring. And the inside will just be three-way pipe and another gasket here. To reassemble, you're going to reverse the order. Put the stepper motor in first. Get it on there tight. Make sure the gasket and O-ring are seated. The next piece with the brass hex nut. Tighten that down. And I'll leave a link for this Allen key tool. This has been my all-time favorite Allen key tool. You put the cab back on. Make sure you got that plastic gasket there. And for the Sportland MTW9, the same process is going to apply. This is the MTW17. It's a 1 1/8" reheat valve. So we also got an Allen key on the bottom here. Got to make sure you do the same process. Make sure you don't break this pin here.